Hey guys, so we are back in my bathroom because today we are tackling my closet, which is in my bathroom. Ooh, into the closet. Okay, so originally we had a rack here, and it was just one rack going all the way around, right? And that just wasn't working, so we moved this rack up. We added a rack there, and then I had this space open right here for shoes. And then Antonio has this side, and he has a rack at the top, and we added him a rack at the bottom. But y'all, it's a mess. Y'all see it's a mess. It's not organized. It doesn't look aesthetically pleasing to me. So we have went to Ikea. We purchased everything, and now we are about to finally install my Pax closet system that I have wanted for so long. And we're gonna get this closet looking like somebody loves the things that's in it, because right now my things are just thrown in there, especially like all my purses and bags are at the top. Like, girl, you trying it. You need to organize your stuff. So yeah, that is what I'm about to do. And I'm gonna put in a clip right here of us going to Ikea, and then we'll shoot back to getting these things removed so we can get the new stuff in. Hey y'all. Y'all gonna say hey?
What's up?
So today is the day. We are in Ikea, about to get our closet system. I know we did our closet before, but it's just not enough space. So this is what I designed. If you guys don't know, you can go on Ikea.com, and at the bottom they have tools, and you go to their pack storage planner, and you can plan out a closet based on your closet's dimensions. So this is what I did. This is what I came up with for me and Antonio. So yeah, we are here at the store now, and we're about to print this out and then go pick up all of our pieces. We do have to assemble this ourselves, but it's just boxes really. Antonio is shopping and he told me he wanted to hurry up and get out of here. But now he's stopping every 2 minutes to look at everything. All right, we finally made it back home. We are so tired. This stuff is heavy, like I told y'all. And unloading it and unloading it, yes. But we are ready. We have it all set here in the dining room. So this will be my project for the next couple of days. I'm just y'all, your girl is moving. Do you hear me? It's only been probably like an hour, and I've already gotten everything out of here. And I'm about to take this rack down. Took that rack out. The only thing, Antonio's stuff is still over here. Y'all want me to tell y'all why? Because I've been in here getting it. I have been in here. Y'all see everything that I have done. I've cleared everything out, got everything lined up, got all my clothes here in the tub. But Antonio is glued to the TV watching Naked and Afraid. So he got me in here lonely and working while he out here watching Naked and Afraid.
Joe.
You enjoying your show?
Science researcher at Amazon. Climate change is
You enjoying your show?
Yeah, leave me alone.
You're naked and afraid? You hooked?
I could be on this show.
What?
I could be on any show that do survival stuff.
Okay,
I
well.
last, but I could be on it.
Okay, well, I was telling the people you out here hooked to Naked and Afraid, and you got me in there working and lonely.
No, you got yourself.
No, I don't.
We got all day tomorrow to start.
Tonyo, you said we was having crabs tomorrow. So guess what? My side gonna be done tonight. Your side's still in there. Okay. Watch me. I just cleared stuff out in an hour.
So what you gonna do now?
Put my boxes together, and my side about to be done.
Don't get in my way right here.
Oh, whatever. This is exactly where I'm putting those boxes together at, right here. Alright, y'all, so we are several hours in, and this is how far I have gotten for tonight. So I got my two sides put up. I will tell you that the first one was kind of difficult. Not difficult, but it was tedious because you really had to read the directions carefully to make sure that you were putting everything in the right spot. But once you do one, when it was time for me to do the second one, I was able to put it together in like 10-15 minutes. The difficult part though was getting it in here. So we had no problem getting the first one in, but the second one is much wider, so trying to get it through the door and lift it up was an issue. The paperwork does tell you if you have a tight space like ours is, it's probably best, you're going to need two people to try to assemble it standing up. Like you assemble half of it on the ground, and then the other half you have to assemble standing up, because there's no other way to do it. So I had actually put this together, tried to bring it in, could not get it in. We had to disassemble it in here, like in the doorway, stand it up and assemble it like that. And it was a task, but we got it done. Y'all, my back is hurting. My hands are sore. My thumb is numb because I banged it with a hammer. But we finally got these boxes in here. Y'all can see that. Let me step it this way. Anyway, so we ended up having to take off the door, which I suggested. I think it should just stay like this because it's just not functional. Even before we put this in, Tonyo had shelves over here and the door opened this way. So you had to always like close it, or it was just always a struggle trying to get behind the door. So I don't know, sometimes these people that build these houses, they just do not, I don't know if they consider functionality as much as they should. But yeah, I think this door should just stay gone. If it does, of course, I would paint all of this and make it look much better. But yeah, just let that door stay gone so then we can just have a straight shot into the closet. But this is it so far. And I have already started putting my drawers and stuff in. So I'm going to continue to do that, and then I'll come back and show you guys once it is all complete. Oh, just in case, like, you guys might be wondering about this. So let me see if I can step back on this side. So we have a big box and a smaller box, and then we needed to make use of this back wall, so we have more boxes here. So you'll see there is a little reach back going on here, but it's okay because you can still reach back and get whatever you need. So I wish they had a better way of doing that, so we didn't need this in the way. But hey, it is what it is. Actually, even when I went into the store and saw the setups that they had, it was the same exact way. You had to reach behind the cabinet in order to reach like all your stuff, but it's all good. So this is it. And now the not so hard part, and just putting in all the shelves and everything. Y'all, we are finally done. This project took 3 days. It has been 3 days. It has been back-breaking. It has been tiring. It has been exhausting. It has just been downright frustrating at times, just because it was hard to get the boxes in there, like I told y'all, because we're working with a small space. But anyway, enough of that. Here finally is our closet. Y'all, we are done. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I mean, you watching, why not? And if you are interested in like any of the IKEA stuff and kind of like want to tour or want to see what like some of the compartments do or how you can kind of set it up, then go ahead and let me know in the comment section below, and I will be more than glad to do that. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.